Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
I almost got sideswiped. Really? Save video.
What if it's a company that's like biggest, like outside of? What if it's a company like, you know, like,
Holy shit.
they're mean? What if it's a company that's like biggest, like outside of? What if it's a company like, you know, like,
Holy shit.
Yeah, it hasn't rained all day, and then I went to Walmart, I came out to the sprinkler, and then I was talking to you on my way to the Dollar Tree, which is literally like less than a
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? This is so f***ing dangerous.
Was it just one car?
No, there's a car that's like in the barrier, like
3 miles an hour, you're gonna kill somebody.
That's my thought. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my gosh! 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 Did you get that on film? No way! Yeah, right!
Oh my god.
What was he doing? What was he thinking?
What was his idea?
Dude, he was flying!
How did he not hit us?
Dude is just going for it.
Just getting it.
That's the dude that just... No way.
Just about hit us and decides to just rally past at 100.
No way.
Holy. Well, everything in the car just went to the front. Jesus, you woman. Oh, you f***ing kid. Look how we f***ing parked. Jesus. See you in a bit.
Okay, bitch. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Whoa. Jesus.
Oh my god.
Guy just...
Hey there.
Hello.
You're a little bit frustrated driving behind the truck. You didn't signal your lane change when you switched over from the right lane.
I did observe. Actually, I have a camera. You'll hear the tick tick.
You signaled?
I signaled.
Show me.
100%.
Show me on your camera.
I have to download the video from the camera. Is it fine?
How long will it take?
Like 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start writing the ticket. You show me that you signaled, and I will.
But actually, honestly, officer, I did. I
didn't
always
see it.
signal.
I didn't see it.
But how can I prove it? Like I did signal. I always
Yeah,
signal.
so, like I said, I'll write the ticket, no problem. You show me that you signaled, I'll rip it up right in front of you.
Okay. 100%.
Okay?
100%.
Driver's license, ownership, and insurance. Thank you. Okay, perfect. So listen, like I said, I'm going to start writing the ticket. You're going to be on your way shortly. But you download the video, and you show me that you signaled, I'll rip it up. I didn't see you signal. Maybe I
But
missed
you will only hear the sound of signal.
That's fine. Yeah, so I know what this. I know what it sounds like. It sounds like it does right now, right?
Yeah, but might be music is playing, so might be a little low, but you'll hear it.
Okay.
Give me like 15 minutes. I'll just download it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So can I turn off my signal so the sound will cancel, right?
Okay.
So now I'll play it. The music.
I'm gonna go on that side. Hold on. Okay, let's see it just so it's quieter. Roll up your window. Roll up the window. Yeah, let's see it.
So the music was playing, but you still hear it.
Okay. Let me see.
You can hear the tick tick tick.
Okay. Okay, so you know when you know what happened? I think you probably signaled and then you changed your lane, and I saw the signal. And,
Yeah,
then,
and there was
then
car
you-
behind me on the blind
Yeah.
spot. My
Okay.
here view.
Anyways, so as promised,
Thank you so much. officer.
there you go.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So yeah, like I said, I must have literally caught it right at the end.
Yeah.
I think you signaled in your lane and then changed lanes. You know what I'm saying?
I know, like
So you
I have to
probably-
be like more careful. Signal a lot before then I change the lane, right?
Yeah, it's all good though, man. It's all good. Like I said, I'm a man of my word. You're an honest guy. I guess I missed it, so it's all good, man.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers. Drive safe.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
There's a motorhome in the ditch.
Do they need help, do you think?
I don't know.
Do you want to stop?
Yeah.